watch Rude. Mr. Rude! Yeah.
If you think that is funny, it's not.
I knew that.
People, they have no manners.
Mr. Rude!
Hey, leave me be.
Okay. Okay, let's go now.
I am so bored.
This is a camera. I know this stuff. Mr. Rude, stop talking! I know this because I used to work here. Okay. Now these two are sculpture made of candies brothers. That was the baby brother. That was the bigger brother. Now this is the longest candy corn. And this is the shiniest, prettiest, sparkliest globe that was ever made out of candy. This is a koala made out of candy with a camera. And these two are a whistle and the largest iPad with made out of candy. Try the whistle. Okay. Ooh! I'm sorry. These two are the biggest American Girl pets. Climb up it. Are you sure it's safe? Yes. Wait. Oh no! That's not breathing! Let me search it. I ruined everything. We have to go. Wait, let's take a nap for a second.